Hello, welcome. Hi. In this session, I am going to cover questions from equilibrium asked in January 2020 JEE Mains. As you know, JEE Mains conducted 3 days. Each day has 2 sessions. In total, 6 sessions. In 6 sessions, 7 questions from equilibrium are covered. 1 question from 7th morning, 2nd question 7th evening, 3rd question 8th morning, 4th question 8th evening, 5th question 9th morning, 6th question 9th evening, 7th question also 9th evening. I am going to explain each and every question clearly, and I am going to cover suitable concepts, formula and solution. This session is going to very long, so I am going to make this session into 3 parts. In part 1, I will explain first question. In part 2, I will explain second question. And in part 3, I will explain remaining all questions. 2 solutions A and B, each of 100 liters, was made by dissolving 4 grams of NaOH and 9.8 grams of H2SO4 in water respectively. The pH of the resulting solution obtained from mixing 40 liters of A and 10 liters of B is. The suitable concept for this question is, see the given weight. So first we need to calculate the concentration. Here concentration is nothing but molarity. So molarity is equal to given weight by gram molecular mass into 1000 by volume in milliliters, or this is equal to given weight by gram molecular mass into 1 by V in liters. So if volume is given in liter, we can calculate from this. Now after calculating molarity, they have given 40 ml of this solution A and 10 ml of solution B. So from this we can get number of moles. But here n factor of H2SO4 acid is 2, n factor of NaOH base is 1. So in this case we have to take equivalence. Now if you take equivalence of acid as X, now equivalence of base as Y. Now let us take total volume of the mixture is V. Total volume of mixture is V. So after calculating equivalence of acid, equivalence of base, then we have 3 possibilities. In that, the first possibility is, if equivalence of acid is equal to equivalence of base, then nature of the solution is neutral. Nature of the solution is neutral. For a neutral solution, pH is equal to 7 at 25 degrees Celsius, because pH depends on temperature. But in the question nothing is mentioned, so you have to take 25 degrees Celsius. So your pH of neutral solution is 7. Second possibility, case 2. If X is greater than Y, means equivalence of acid greater than equivalence of base, then nature of the solution is acidic. If nature of the solution is acidic, then H plus ions are present in the mixture. So concentration of H plus ions equal to equivalence of acid minus equivalence of base by total volume of the mixture. So after calculating H plus, you can directly calculate pH by using this relation. pH is equal to minus log H plus. In this question, we need to calculate pH of the mixture. So we can calculate directly pH by using this relation. Now, third possibility is that if equivalence of acid less than equivalence of base, means equivalence of base more, so nature of the solution is basic. If nature of the solution is basic, OH minus ions are present in that. So OH minus ion concentration is equal to equivalence of base minus equivalence of acid by total volume. So after calculating concentration of OH minus, you have a relation POH is equal to minus log OH minus ions. So after calculating POH, you can calculate pH, because Relation between pH and pOH is this. So pH plus pOH is equal to 14. From this, pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. So this is suitable concept for this given question. Now, we try to solve this question, but before solving this question, we have to write the given data. So given data in this question, the given A and B, here A is NaOH, B is H2SO4. Now if we take n factor of NaOH is 1, because when NaOH dissociate, it gives Na plus and OH minus. So how many OH minus ions are produced here? Only 1. That's why n factor is 1. Now if you take H2SO4, n factor is 2. So here, when H2SO4 dissociates, it gives 2 H plus ions. So number of H plus ions released from acid is nothing but n factor. So here n factor is 2. Now we write given data. Weight of NaOH. Weight of NaOH is 4 grams and weight of H2SO4 is 9.8 grams. Now we write molecular weight, gram molecular mass of NaOH is 40 gram per mole and H2SO4 is 98 gram per mole. And initially the volume of each is 100 liters. This is 100 liters. This is 100 liters. With this data, first we have to calculate concentration of NaOH and concentration of H2SO4. Now I am going to calculate concentration, nothing but molarity of NaOH. Molarity of NaOH is equal to weight, given weight. Already you know, formula is given weight by gram molecular mass. The given weight of NaOH is 4 grams and molecular mass of NaOH is 40 grams per mole into the volume given in liters. So if the volume is in liter, then you have to use this relation 100. So from this you get 10 power minus 3 mole per liter, because here unit is liter. So gram per mole, so mole goes to numerator, so unit is moles per liter. Now if you take molarity of H2SO4, molarity of H2SO4 is equal to, given weight is 9.8 grams by gram molecular mass 98 into 1 by volume is 100 liters. This is also equal to 10 power minus 3 moles per liter. Do we calculate question like this, or is there any another method? Yes, we have another method also. That another method is normality. Normality is equal to n into molarity. So here, what is molarity of this NaOH solution? 10 power minus 3. So you can write here 10 power minus 3. Then what is n factor of NaOH? 1. So here molarity is equal to normality. Then if you take a normality of H2SO4, that is, molarity is 10 power minus 3, but n factor of H2SO4 is 2. This is normality of H2SO4 solution. So I am suggesting better to use normality. After that I have to calculate equivalence. But before we are going to calculate equivalence, first we should understand how many liters of A is mixed with how many liters of B. See here, the volume of A solution is 40 liters. So here equivalence of H2SO4 is equal to normality into volume in liters. Normality is equal to, what is normality of H2SO4? 2 into 10 power minus 3 into, what is given volume of H2SO4 solution? 10. Given volume is 10. This is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 2. These are equivalents of H2SO4. Then equivalence of NaOH. Equivalence of NaOH is equal to normality into volume in liters. What is normality of NaOH? Same as molarity because N factor is 1. So normality is 10 power minus 3 into what is its volume? 40. See, 40 liters of A. What is A? NaOH. So 40 liters is volume. So 40, that is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 2. Now if you compare these two, which is more? Here equivalence of base, that is NaOH, more than equivalence of H2SO4. Therefore, what is the nature of the solution? Nature of the solution is basic. If the nature of solution is basic, then we have to use this relation. OH minus ion concentration is equal to equivalence of base. Equivalence of base 4 into 10 power minus 2 minus equivalence of acid 2 into 10 power minus 2. 2 into 10 power minus 2 by what is the total volume? The total volume is 40 liters of A and 10 liters of B. Total volume is 40 plus 10, that is equal to 50. So from this is equal to what is common? 10 power minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 into 10 power minus 2 by 50. 10 power minus 2 by 50. Now this is equal to 2 by 5 into 10 power minus 3. So this is OH minus ion concentration. From this we can calculate POH. POH is equal to minus log 2 by 5 into 10 power minus 3. You can write it as log A into B as log A plus log B. So log A is minus log 2 by 5 plus minus log 10 power minus 3. Minus log 10 power minus 3 is nothing but 3 minus log 2 by 5. Minus log 2 by 5. Now here minus log 2 by 5, it is A by B. You can write it as log A minus log B. Then what do we get directly here? 3 minus log 2 plus log 5. 3 minus log 2 plus log 5. Now log 2 value is 0.3 and log 5 value is 0.699, but approximately I am taking 0.7. So here 3 minus 0.3 plus 0.7. So from this you can get 0.4. So 3 plus 0.4 is equal to 3.4. So now pH is equal to 14 minus 3.4, that is equal to 10.6. This is 10.6. This is about first question which is covered on 7th morning.